I'm Seamus Stacey. I'm a Finance and Accounting Associate for Glanbia. All of my roles come out of bank reconciliations. I've 11 bank accounts that I'm responsible for. One of them I have to do daily, the rest of them are done monthly or weekly, depending on the volume that goes through them. The one I do daily reconciles what our branches are receiving in at their point of sale systems for Glanbia agribusiness and what we actually get credited for. You get some anomalies from credit card systems, authorizations, stuff getting marked as credit cards that's actually cash, vice versa. So it's interesting, it's fun, and it gives me a good overview of a part of the company I didn't really know a huge deal about when I started. Any job in this sector, you need good analytical skills and you need basic numeracy skills, but ultimately you're dealing with financial software. So I work with SAP and Excel. Really, they're the two things that are always open on my screen. So you'll be trained up on these things when you're starting, but the most part of the thing you're dealing with people. You're reporting to people, you're making reports for people. And communication is absolutely key for that. I think the best thing about my job right now is that there's so many possibilities that can come out of it. I'm currently studying for the SEMA Management Accounting qualification, and I feel that that will give me a really strong base in business to start and maybe go towards supply chain or maybe stay in accounting. Who knows what the next 3, 4, 5 years will happen. We've so many different business units with Glanbia, and I see that on a monthly basis, I see it on a daily basis, how they interact with each other, how purchasing works, how AR works with AP, and how fixed assets work and how they depreciate. So I get to see a huge, broad range of that. And if you're asking me what the best thing about my job is, I can go nearly anywhere in the world with it. And Glanbia has an international footprint, so that was a big draw for me to go to them. The two biggest things I got out of university and being in university was being able to effectively communicate and effectively time manage. And they are the two things that I use day to day mostly in my work. There's always an assignment to do in college, there's always a presentation to give. So every time you do those, you can practice honing in on your time management skills. Allocate your time, prioritize your tasks, and then make sure you stick to your plan. You'll enjoy your downtime when you're not worried about what you haven't done. So time management and then communicating, they're the two things that you need to really draw out of college. And the best way to do that is by following your passions. If you're passionate about sport like I was, then follow that and become involved in the running of the club so that you're dealing with people and that you're dealing with having to fit extra things in, but you're also in administration, and it fills up your CV and it makes you look employable, and it really helps you sell yourself in your interview process.